Do you want to have your eyebrows microbladed but you're afraid because you think it hurts so much? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you one of my procedures of microblading and shading so you'll be able to see yourself. Stay with us. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. I'm a skincare therapist, microblading, and permanent makeup removal artist. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I invite you to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're part of our family, welcome back again, and thank you for supporting my channel, sharing it with your friends, and spending some time with us. One of the main reasons why people don't have their eyebrows done or any kind of permanent makeup procedures done is because they're afraid of the pain. They think it's gonna hurt too much. Okay, well, everybody's different with pain tolerance, but I'm telling you, it doesn't hurt too much. You don't supposed to bleed too much or have a lot of pain. I'm gonna show you a procedure so you can see it yourself. All right, well, let's go to the video. Just do the first pass. And that is where you're supposed to feel pain. How is the pain? No pain?
No.
Good, good. So if you didn't feel pain already, then you're not gonna feel pain at all.
Oh, okay.
And your skin is so good.
It's not
Very
bleeding too
strong
much.
skin.
Oh.
I took some pictures so you can see that you're not bleeding.
Oh.
Okay, so now you let me know if you feel any pain, okay? How you doing?
Don't feel anything.
You okay? No pain? Pain? Nothing?
No. It's good.
Very good. Were you afraid that you were going to be in pain?
Not really. I just kind of want to know how it look. That's that's the most I concern.
So, do you like them?
Yes. Very good. Very good. Ooh. Yes.
So make sure you take care of them for the first week, so we don't lose a lot of pigment. Okay, and then on the touch-up, we'll do the perfection. Like if you lose a hair here, a hair there, or you want a more dense or different color, then you know.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
we can put a little bit of more pigment on it, like darker pigment here and there to make it look darker. But we don't want to go too dark. Dark color will add years to your face, so we don't want that.
No.
So right now, is it good?
Yeah, very good.
You like them?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Good.
Very good.
How about the pain? Do you have pain at all?
No.
No. Oh wow, good. So what do you think? It doesn't hurt too much, right? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time we upload a new video. Share this video with your friends on your social media. Please, that will help me so much. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and remember, only you set your limits. Bye. See you soon.